Hi everybody, it's a chilly, gloomy Friday out here in the atrium. I can see my breath. Doesn't feel much like spring, even though it is officially spring now. The vernal equinox was on Sunday, and we should be seeing a warming trend, although maybe not so much. But here under the atrium, I can hear birds singing, which is a great time to remind you all that if you fed the birds during the winter, it might be good to get outside, get those feeders, bring them indoors, give them a little scrub out, get some fresh seed. There'll be plenty of summering birds migrating through, and they'll be hungry on their long trip north. So you might want to give them a little extra treat. Also, this is a good time to do any of your winter pruning. Any fruit trees, anything that is not going to be blooming soon, so you'll want to stay away from things like magnolias and crab apples and lilacs. It's also probably one of the last weekends to get out and prune your oak trees. You want to get that done before they start to leaf out, and then that way you can prevent or help to prevent the onset of oak wilt. You can see as we're here in the atrium, I've got the crew behind me, and they are unpacking all of our ceramic pots. We did extra ordering this year because they're so popular. We'll have pots in every color of the rainbow, as well as a whole bunch of brand new spring merchandise to get your yard all spiffy and seasonal. So it's an exciting time here at the Bruce Company. We love the spring. So happy first official day of spring to all of you from all of us here at the Bruce Company.